blame me when people attack us celebrities. Like, you see, I don't care how you see your celebrity life, but my celebrity life is my work. That's my job. That's where I get money from. That's where I get money to feed my family, my friends, my fans, everybody. So when I'm talking about issues and people don't talk about it, don't think they're okay. I can't just see some video for social media where some woman, they talk plenty. And Ghana celebrities are broke. 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 How many times have I not said this? Was it the way I said it? That's why most of you people just say like Shatta, why they do it, why they. How many times have I not said that? I said those things not because we are broke. But I said those things because we are trying so hard for ourselves, but the structures are not helping. And what are the structures? The structures are what the system has created for some people to be enjoying. Like, fine, nurses will go on strike, but nurses wear uniform. If they don't respect the work, they don't wear their uniform. They won't even go to nursing school. They won't even look at certain. They won't even mind. Doctors are still going to doctor school because they want to work. Some want to work at Kolebu, some want to work at 37, some want to work at G for Kumasi. They still wear the uniforms because there's a structure there. At least if the work is not good at all, there are some benefits. There are some 1 or 2 things where doctors, nurses, I know, say that they get small, even though they work hard. Like, they won't go and throw the uniform and wear it. Don't come and lie to yourself. They won't go and sew the uniform and wear it. Don't make nobody come lie to you. Police even. People that talk police, but it's a structure that the system has created. So people even still go to police. You say police, they like bribe. They don't care. You don't know what is there. You don't know when you become a police, the benefits you get. You don't understand. Have you seen somebody go into police without uniform before? Soldier people, they form like 37 long. Some of my guy go there, they say get tattoo, so they know go take them. Another matter to talk about. But that's what I'm saying. The uniform has been a structure. The uniform. Most of us, I don't know how we see this music business because we know they wear uniform. So everybody they behave anyhow. So one day we go there and somebody who can't deal with you foolishly, they come talk say we are broke. You see all the jobs are called nurse, doctor, soldier, police. We will get the best of life. Then they retire sometimes to even go to embassy to go and collect visa. But artists, you will collect visa for your team, everybody. The embassies are good to us. They love us because they know what a celebrity should be. Shouts to every embassy in Ghana. The embassies in Ghana, they don't really joke with celebrities. All the embassies, the foreign embassies in Ghana, they don't joke with celebrities. Because when they hear it's a celebrity, the treatment they give is different. Yes, because they understand who a celebrity is. He has a private life. And a professional life. So they know how to structure the celebrity life and in private life. But what do we see here? When there is a problem and Shatta talks about it, oh, Shatta, the way they talk, why for talk? I say, someone, he come TV right now, he come radio, they watch Hit FM, he come the day there. Ghana celebrities are broke. Some of them don't have edifice and in big English. They did the way they talk. And we don't have office. We don't do this. We don't do that. Madam, please, if you don't know about somebody's farm, please stick to your farm. Because some of us, we have taken this job seriously. And you see, these are the reasons why our leaders, the government, won't even pay attention to us. Because see, everything we come and say every time on our entertainment programs are stupid. and so foolish and can't even help the system grow. Government need money to do certain things. Recently, they want a president. He said, if you go like, or you know, like, you go still build a cathedral. You people are stupid. You people are so foolish because you don't know the importance of certain things in the country. So you come and tell you by force, you like or you don't like, you go build them before you go leave power. If you like, cut your head. If you like, say, Akufo, you know if you do anything. You can't do anything. He's the president, my nigga. Fuck you. Because you people are being stupid. You don't know what you want. You don't know what is supposed to be there at a particular time and what is not supposed to be there at a point in time. So foolish people go come their radio and go, they can't talk to you, celebrate. They're all broke. They're all broke. Madam, listen. Man get office. Man register companies. Man, they do things. So when you are talking, talk well. If they talk for their sense of body, can't talk and we get money. Yes, we get money. We know how to keep money and use money proper. We not be those celebrities when they come impress people. Those celebrities when they come show people say they get money so they want to do better video and better massa. All those way to do better videos or they don't get anything passing. Because the structures are not there for me even to go and pay for $100,000 video, $1 million video, for me to come and sit and foolish people like you come and sit on radio and be judging my $1 million video. Very stupid people. Hit FM. I'm telling you people something today. If you people don't stop those your stupid entertainment programs, your sports programs are good, your other programs are good. I listen to Joy FM a lot, intellectuals, yes, for the development of the country. But you see your entertainment is your entertainment programs, you have to cancel it because it's stupid now. It's being foolish now. You people are disrespecting arts. You have taken it in your head that you want to create content. That is not how you create content. The content you are creating are stupid content, are foolish content. How much do you even get paid doing that? Pretty ladies, you go and sit in a studio and talk about people's work like that. Do you know what goes into the work? Have you been in the studio 24 hours without sleeping before? Are you stupid? Your entertainment program, that program where they do, that girl where you use the program, one, you go lose his job. The girl where you sit down where they talk so stupid about Sarkodie and all the rest of the Ghana music industry and celebrities or what, she will lose her job. She won't even find peace. God won't forgive her. God, if he vex, he vex. God won't forgive her. Because all the foolish things he said, comparing Ghana artists to Patoranking. Who the fuck is Patoranking? Sometimes you put the do and they vex. Who the fuck is Patoranking where you go compare Patoranking to Ghana artists? Say, do you know where my office is? You don't know it, so shut up. Sometimes you do this thing, man, they feel vexed with it. Man, sit down and they talk about and what Patoranking and say, but man, you are very stupid. Very stupid. Hit FM and they tell you people, government will look into that your entertainment program they do, and they will cancel it. We don't need your entertainment program anymore because it's been stupid, it's been foolish. Because it's like when you are there, you just bring your friends to come on radio and just come and talk. Massa, when there's a problem in Ayawasu West or Ayawasu East, if the problem is a national problem, the president will be there. The next person, the president will ask you, say, who will be the MP for the area? Some of you who don't know your post, who don't know your positions, so don't come and be detecting for some of us that have hustled within a country where there is no music industry structure, but artists like Shatta, Wale, Sarkodie, Stoneboy, Medical, Samini, Wuyala, Collins. People have done it. People have tried. Come dead, then you come talk stupidly about people like you know Ghana. But Massa, Charlie, if you don't come and put this thing. Sometimes when you compare we Ghana to Nigeria, Ghana, it bore me too much. I sound like, what the fuck are you trying to do? The Patoranking, it be the same like the baby. Patoranking said Axam. Patoranking said Axam. Axam Shatta Wale be. They come and sit on it because you don't cherish your own. And Nigerians are complaining about this thing every time that Ghana, you don't cherish your own, and it's stupid. When man can sit down, when man they tell you people say, man get this, man get that, then it worry most of you because most of you are stupidly lazy. Because you see, I'm like, why if I can't talk, say, get this, why if I can't, I go feed the, then go tell the Jay-Z buy car, $28 million. They can't say, buy no be Jay-Z, way it show am. You know, be Jay-Z, wait, Jimmy, and so the motivate, wait, Jimmy. You put Jimmy for Ghana too much. You put Jimmy for Ghana too much. Jimmy, that is why Jimmy for the entertainment sector. Government is a Jimmy today. They be more so they will ban alcohol. Celebrities they won't even go in because people with the middle name pandits. Pandits. Are they hate rough pandits? Zemusha pandit. People fool. He will stop the fool. You understand me? He will stop the fool. And everything. Leave Nigeria alone. Nigeria has tried for this. Leave them alone. It's even a shame to even be comparing yourself to Nigeria. Because Nigerians, they are comparing themselves to America. It's even a shame that we started music and we couldn't even hold it well. And Nigerians have held it well. And they are hoisting their flag. Let's support them and don't be stupid. Don't be there because they want to compare. They want to fight comparison. That's what people have been doing in Ghana. That's what people have been doing in Ghana. People, they make man, the vex man, the poor man, they talk nonsense every time. Because people be nonsense. Because the things they talk, be stupid. The things they talk, be stupid, very stupid. How you go there radio and go to talk, say, everybody be broke. If you are broke, be in your fucking corner. You do know who broke is. Do you know what broke is? Do you know what broke is? You are very stupid. Do you know what broke is? You are very stupid. Very foolish woman, you go there, radio talk, very therefore ban you. You are a very stupid woman. You are a very foolish woman. Don't even go and say that thing. Say the country is broke. Because if you are lazy, be lazy and sit in your corner. It's only lazy people that talk about foolish things. See, as you did in your backyard there, you don't get land for that way, you go to plant corn and grow maize small and start some small business. You are very stupid. You want me the president can do something for every day? Ghana man mentality. The president can do something for. Go tip to the people they wake up to now. What's here? You think you can just have the radio station to yourself? The owner of Hit FM, I'm telling you, if you don't stop that your nonsense program for the Charlie, but now we are going to disrespect. See, if they go disrespect them, my mothers and my fathers and my godfathers and my sisters and my cousins and my everything, including the entire generation when they bring them come from Noah. You better get on, you better catch on. So, gossip, you talk like this, you catch on. Uchamu bong. Now, woman now, Kasa or Hit FM, you say. Some of us, we come and brag. We have money. We have this. Uchamu bong. Uchamu bong. What's here? If you say show money right now, you go be show money. If you say show money, go be show money. Uchamu bong. What's here? In my daily money, say where the chop. My daily money, say where the chop. If I take show you right now, I say my daily. What's here? Uchamu bong. Uchamu bong. What's here? I'm Jimmy Morgana. Somebody is doing work every time. You want people to step the put them on work inside. If after they talk. Nobody go can't talk because everybody for say make we leave them. Where? Make we leave them for where? Ghana music industry way structured. They know structure and where. Make we leave them for where? Make we leave them for where? Make we leave them for where? Me my work. Me my work. So if anybody will go talk, if you don't know my office, shut up. What's here? Reason you know you say they say. After 30 years, after 15 years of music, I make 30,000 Ghana cedi. Nonsense. You can't take there, you can't talk about, say, Sarko there is, because here, well, if me I talk, say, we are broke, then that one will be normal. Because Sarko they go understand the mindset where they talk, say, we are broke. Because I don't see, say, we broke. Your mother, if you say somewhere be broke, I don't say me on the day one area. You know how much they sell us for there? Go ask. Go check price. We need to check. Moi Jimmy too much of Ghana. Moi Jimmy. I don't go like moi Jimmy. That be the word women go use for. Moi Jimmy. People do our government system no be serious. They ban we for alcohol. Because they say most of you DJs and people they can't sit panic and sana mope. They take the thing and attach us. Me every day if I can't do life, if you know be coke, then you storm energy or it be something. Coke said they no signing. It's just that they like the taste. Where Jimmy do? Where Jimmy you do a bet company say go check Nigeria. Those things where they make artists they get money. Those things where they make you put do a government services will not get sense because if you can't do radio and what mentality way they, or what mindset way they TikTok that thing. Say no artists or Ghana get office way if they look for him go. You are a very stupid woman. You are a very foolish woman. You are foolish. Some women they are very foolish. They don't care. Make anybody think anything you want to talk. Very foolish talk you talk. Very foolish woman talk. I say you born picking before you go talk about a picking like this. Stupid. When we talk, somebody say make we not talk Shatta. No, you know say those people, you know say the way you know, sometimes if I relax, me I not go relax for anybody. See, me I not go relax for anybody. You understand me? You put the where I go jail for pastors because pastors they do prophecy every day, and somebody go die, somebody go die, somebody go die, somebody go die, somebody go die. Cause yeah, pastors in Ghana the only thing they see is somebody go die. They know they even see Shatta Wale, tell somebody they can give $50 million. Make okay, pastor if they can give 50 million, I will give fine. Make we talk business. Make God says he say we they use the word of God they take do business. Cause yeah. Can't take every day somebody could die, somebody go. Man go to prison for somebody could die. Me I go to prison for somebody could die. We change. So don't fucking tell me anything about anything where you go. Me I'm just for the change. This kind of stupid talks on radio and stuff like that. Can you talk about IGP like that? Can you go talk about IGP like that? Are you very stupid? Are you stupid? Is it because we don't wear uniform? Are you stupid? You don't know your rankings. You don't know your rankings. You're very stupid. Stupid woman and stupid all the girls we go see that you are stupid girls. I don't even give a fuck. If you say they say somebody be beautiful, it be the dress they wear and the makeup you do. It be your brains. Vit FM. The owner of Vit FM, I'm telling you. Owner of Vit FM. I'm telling you. That entertainment program, you have to stop it. Otherwise you are causing something that will be a hazard to the country. I'm telling you something. I'm telling you something. Hey, every president where he can sit, Ghana sit up. No, say Ghana musicians, they try for themselves. They try. Yes, Charlie. We know they tell them when a problem, so they don't want a problem. Because anytime we them want a problem, we won't tell them about this one won't tell them I'm in pocket. This one won't tell them I'm in pocket. So you know if he gets the problem, politician. Don't see politicians like that. They learn, that's why they run the country. Don't see politicians like that. Me, when I meet any politician, any great man on this land of Ghana that I've met, I've vividly told them about the problem. It is the players themselves, the musicians themselves that have made it this way for ourselves. Nigga, me, my life will be simple. If you can't pay me, get out. If you can't pay me, yes, because I have a price. I have a fucking price. If you can't pay me, get out. Don't see him like that. If you see him like that, you go get him like that. You know how much sacrifices man do? You know how many things we man do just for music? You can't do this. Sometimes you have to be careful on that stupid video. Hit FM. I'm telling you, I'm doing this video for Hit FM. I'm telling you people, you guys have to be careful. Because the way you are downplaying the industry, all in the name of content, you have to be careful. You have to be careful, I swear. You have to be careful. Because the thing they do, when fans vex, when they enter there, when they do, if you say the thing is small thing, when they grow, things they change, life they change. So they're there and they think primitive. They're there and they think like, say, ma, ya kwa nkafwa ba. Share ya beko in someone and you see what is life. So that when somebody is talking, you listen and talk sense. Say all the artists that come and say they have money. You know how hustle. Any big man for this country knows Shatta Wale, they also for himself. The system, they collect better royalty for me. You can't even talk to me like this. You are a very stupid woman. Asia, if they wake up, they say, no, me I not go fight woman. But you see, insult, if it is about go insult you. If you say, baby, it's very stupid. Downgrading us. You can't take radio top, they talk play. Make a look for it. Make a look for it. Make the thing they bomb me. This is a be like Dreamline poster. I hear it, sir. How can you be talking like this? First one be there. First one. I
don't think so.
Not even our Sarkodie.
I said, see, if somebody even tells you are a local champion, that's you know, it's something that should even rattle you. You know, it should make you feel certain type of way that you don't belong or you are not part.
You are very stupid. What's the hypocrite words for yourselves? Local champion. Look, the woman even was mentioned, not even Sarkodie, not even Stone Boy. You are still being stupid. If they be your kiddies, you go talk about them like that. If they be your kiddies, you go talk about them like that. You're very stupid. You're very stupid. Uchamubon. Pay it with what you said. Uchamubon. Pay it with what you said. That we are broke. Because you own our bank. Because you are in our house. Because you know my pocket. Pay it. Uchamubon. Pay it to what you said. Uchamubon. Pay it. And see who is stupid. Money
is everything. Our artists in Ghana are so broke. The system is so broke. And as a result of that, no. Money is everything. Our artists in Ghana are so broke. The system is so broke. And as a result of that, nobody.
Government for catch people like this. If them did influence people, the system is so broke. So everybody in the system hard in the system. Masa, pay juma, pre. Begaribinato. We a girl now. Who say? Who ye makeup never? Yesusu. Not to be like catch and cough. Nam kwa so na catch and cough. Say who ye makeup? Not to me your makeup. People do it. It is everywhere. Find something and do. Find something. And stop blaming. Don't you, Massa. May know politics he bomb you. It be God he bomb you. So I live with God. Make politician come chop Ghana money and I don't care. Because if your stupidness way you go think to me politician they chop Ghana money. It be your stupidness. Because maybe he won't show you the way, but your mindset will Jimmy empty. I come to say the system is broke. I say you are broke. Say you are broke. Because you're a lazy, stupid citizen with the ID card.
Even thinking about the brand anymore. Right? It's like, oh, let me sing. When I get small money, I keep it. Because I know that here, your span is about 5 to 10 years. So that when I'm no longer accepted by people, I can use that money to fend it for my family. So, first and foremost, the system is so broke. So, artists are broke. And as a result of that, we don't have any brands in Ghana.
Hey, so Hit FM, the owner of Hit FM, do you listen to your program at all? Do you know people do lose stocks? Have you? Hey, Uchamubon. Me say Uchamubon. Me ana make us Uchamubon. Me ana make us Uchamubon because kasa chebon kasa. Chebon. Listen, let me tell you something. Chebon kasa make you talk stupidly. Ukra yendu because Uchamubon intention na yendu Pedro. Never show Uchamubon. Uchamubon. About what Jimmy say? Oh, wait, Jimmy to do. I wonder who the husband is. I'm not sure she has a husband. Because women that talk like this, they can't get married. Women that talk like they can't get married. So the pussy Charlie Pelikin bio na yeleke. And if you are not in the challenge, who will lose it? Who will be non lake? Not leaking. How I drink? You have a leakage vagina.
People have potential. One of them is Sarkodie.
Yes.
He has every potential to be a whiskey.
Did you go mix up a whiskey? Or you must wear two, no way, wake the book. One and one cup, more muti. You think it's a funny? 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 Hey, Charlie. Music. My father tell me, my father tell me the time they go cancer me. My father say, Junior, make sure that you don't join those people because I see music. You know, they are poor. They are very. They don't. I don't know why. You know, from Titi it's been there. But I told my dad, no, I just came in to change something, and I want to change it. I want to